आउज़बिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और निहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट और इस वक्त हम चैप्टर नंबर 5 को यानी यूनिट नंबर 5 को हम पढ़ने लगे हैं, जिसका नाम है एम्स गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एजुकेशन। और ये प्रेजेंटेड बाय मैं मोहम्मद सुल्ला खान आपसे मुखातिब हूँ, और जो हमारा बीएड का कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर 8603 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो आज स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन है। ये एजुकेशन इज़ फंडामेंटली गोल ओरिएंटेड एक्टिविटी। एजुकेशन जो है फंडामेंटली गोल एक्टिविटी है। एंड एमलेस एजुकेशन स्पेल्स डिजास्टर एंड प्लेस heaven with the destiny of nation. Education without aims is like a ship without a rider push on a prior sea wreckage. Aim provides a focus and direction to the entire system of education. This is why government attach so much importance to the aims of national education. The Qaeda-Azam in his message to First Education Conference in 1947 stated emphasized that he wanted to establish a viable, productive and sound system of education situated to the need and requirement of the people of Pakistan. With due regard to Muslims' history and ideas, it is regrettable to note that the subsequent government has failed to clear, define, and implies the aims of Pakistani education. Speaking from the ideology standpoint, the story of Pakistani education is a story of a aimless education. आगे स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव इस चैप्टर की वो कि आफ्टर द स्टडी ऑफ दिस यूनिट यू विल बी एबल टू नंबर 1 पे क्या है, क्लासीफाई एम्स गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड अंडरस्टैंड देयर सिग्निफिकेंस। इन तीनों के गोल्स एम्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और जो है हमने सिग्निफिकेंस को मालूम करना है आगे के शो द डिस्टिंक्शंस एज वेल एज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एम्स एंड गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव। फिर है जी लिस्ट द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ एम्स गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। फिर इंडिकेट द प्रिंसिपल सोर्स ऑफ करंट interest in behavior objectives. फिर give a brief review of objective movement in education. फिर जी explain Bloom, Cotton and of the education objectives and mention important points in their favor of against them. फिर describe the main approaches and different for formats in writing the behavior objective. फिर develop statement of behavior objectives. फिर analyze and evaluate the principal models of current objective. Will develop a sound relation for the stick and an outline of a proposal Pakistan a model एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव। आगे स्टूडेंट्स पकारा आगाज़ करते हैं इस चैप्टर का। वो हमारे पास है कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन। ये है कि द सिग्निफिकेंस एम्स एंड गोल्स ऑफ कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन। ये कि एम्स प्रोवाइड अ symptomatic view of what we are expected from the education as a whole. Their major factors is to provide purpose and direction to the whole educational system. फिर है जी unless aims are first clear stated, no educational program can be meaningfully conceived, planned and indicated. Actually aims act uh, as a guide principle and highlight the major emphasis for center concern of any system. Hence knowledge of aims is independable to curriculum planner and other related groups. The end product of education system are shaped and formulated by the central aims which differ from one nation to another. The aims of the traditional Muslims education was to produce pious and practicing Muslims. American education is vidi and by the large of the product of democratic and pragmatic ideological which the system endeavors to produce true socialist. You can see the types stamps in the end of the product of the various school systems, and different systems must operate even within the same country. This is to become aims help to unify the different educational programs. आगे स्टूडेंट्स चलते हैं हमारे पास है जी द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एम्स गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। ये क्या है? Generally speaking, a vertical hierarchy of three board categories, aims, goals, and objective is usually maintained in blue books of curriculum and education. However, many impotent writers, particularly in the field of the curriculum, prefer to use pairs of terms like aims and objective or goals and objective, perhaps to simplify the process of objectives formulation. Hidden Betab Tulums and his association Migran and J. Stock may be cited as a writing who amplify this approach. Periodic document enter goal and aim to educate by Ministry of Education 1977 treated aim as something intermediary between the goals and objective aims between mainly concerned with the major stages of education, while the term goal was used to refer to overall general statement of the purpose of Pakistani education. On the other hand, most of the curriculum experts and philosophers accept the aims are more general than goals. Robert and many other writing the forcefully represent the later view, and it is this approach which consider aims, goals, and objectives as a hierarchy which is adopted in this unit. आगे क्या है जी? The nation of aims, द नेचर ऑफ एम्स की नेचर क्या होती है एम्स की वो स्टूडेंट्स अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं वो क्या है करिकुलम एम्स रेफर टू अ जनरल स्टेटमेंट दैट डिस्क्राइब एक्सपेक्टेड लाइफ आउटकम बेस्ड ऑन सम वैल्यू स्कीम borrows from psychology conscious or unconsciously. Their distinctive quality is that they are not directly related to school or classroom outcome. Human survival, self-realization, and ethical character are examples of a few curriculum aims. Aims are thus remote and long range and have to be converted into more immediate and specific school outcome if they are to be realized in actual practice. An aim give shape and direction to a set of more detailed intention for the future period. They are just a starting point, the representing an idea, an aspiration, and a direction which education system should take in general. Does they act as a guide to uh, action and provide a general framework for an overall education process. Since they are principal concerned with large and purposed, they act as a unifying thread for different programs and activities they are related. आगे क्या जी स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एम्स ये क्या है जी वैल्यू पैटर्न फिर है सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फिर है सोशल रोल्स एंड लाइफ स्टाइल ये है ऑल कैटेगरीज मस्ट बी इंटर रिलेटेड विद ईच अदर टू प्रोड्यूस द desired result. For instance, it is necessary that aims in other category should be consist with the aims and requires of center values pattern and display the same spirit and inconsistence in the in this regard would be damaging to dominate value pattern. फिर है जी value pattern ये क्या this is general category which activity influence the characteristics of aims in the other three categories. Aims in the category represent a philosophy position and viewpoint. If the central aim is the development of Islamic character, all other characteristics would be catered to the realization of the pivotal value. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास ये आता है एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गोल्स. एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ an aim is to develop in students an understanding of how to write research proposal in education. This statement may be broken down into the following 5 goals. वो क्या है to acquire a concept of research proposal and its a variant as seen in historical disruptive and experimental requirement in education. To appropriate the value of writing a research proposal as a base for clarified thought, analysis task, and enhancing procedure and evaluating possible consequences. Period to identify an educational problem appropriate to interests of the investigator, which is capable of investigation by the method proposed to prepare an appropriate research proposal according to general acceptable standard is educational equity. Period critically appraise to the proposal as a mean of determining both its deficiencies and its strength as a planning document. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आता है एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ बिहेवियर ऑब्जेक्टिव. ये नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल बिहेवियर एंड कंसीडर दियर adequate as behavior statement. पहली क्या है जी, to be able to write summary. नंबर 2 पे क्या है, to explain a theory of reliability. नंबर 3 पे क्या है, to be able to complete the 100 items multiple choice questions on the top of the museum contribution to science with 1 hour with 70 correct answer as a lower limit of the acceptable performance. You will probably have noted that one is an example of an incomplete behavioral objectives. It does not mention that the related content to be summarized, which could be, for an example, to be an example of poem, an historical event, or an scientific theory as a regard. Both the behavior and the content are mentioned, however, by the far most comprehensive behavior statement is 3, which contain all the necessary elements of a complete behavioral objectives. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास जी आता है वो है जी designations and interrelationship. It if the title of the books is regarding as an aim, its various chapters would be parallel to goals and the countless facts, ideas, concepts, principles, and generalization would resemble objectives. It is obvious that objectives are many and variety, and that an aim is simple in executable. For example, thousands of books have been written on education with different formats and appropriate and yet base them content. This simply may throw some light on distinctions among the term aim, goals, and objectives. आगे क्या, the summary what have been said earlier, aim, goals, and objectives represent different positions in descending others, each with the specific purpose and rule to play. Aims reflect philosophy, policy, and rational, while goals stand for the strategies and objectives for traits in the actual classroom situation. Aims represent life outcome, goals refer to a school outcome, and objective stands for specific outcomes of classroom instruction. Again, aims are general in nature, objectives are higher specified, and goals. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास जी आता है ये जी a brief review of the objectives movement in education. वो है जी a historical review in always instructed in at is enable it's the readers to understand the progressive development of the subject being studied. It is really revealing in that it covers realities and can help us avoid for future pitfalls. ये क्या, the origins, generally speaking, the origins of the movement for exploiting objectives can be traced back to the educational workers of Harvard. Speken's population propose a classification of a human activities as a basis of education objectives and development 5 major objectives for a school curriculum: self present prevents securing necessity of life, child bring maintenance of socio political relationship and leisure activity. As for Herbert, he highlight the significance of a clear statement of aims for writing a lesson plan and proposed 5 stages: popularity, knowledge as the Harvard instance of teaching, आज जी हम चलते हैं जी द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव ये क्या द मेन approach to standing education objectives ये कि objectives can be defined as the started from the standard point of teaching behavior content the pupil behavior and room उसके बाद teacher content approach उसके this approach emphasize teacher behaviors in the statement of objectives as is illustrated in the following example the discussion the emergency and achievement of the third world फिर है the illustration of the Quranic principles of the rise and fall of nations फिर है जी to execute the social theory of Shah Waliullah फिर है जी to discuss new teaching approaches फिर है I believe the above statement indicates what the teacher intend to do but they do not reveal what behavior change are to be developed among students period does such statements may be helpful to teach in planning classroom texts आगे चलते राइटिंग बिहेवियर ऑब्जेक्टिव ये क्या जी राइटिंग बिहेवियर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज अ हाई technical and complex text. It involves several aspects such as in deciding on the elements of the objective, seeing toxication, relevance, shown, uh, choosing proper language and sequencing. Each of these requires understanding and explanation. We tale why Bang and उसके बाद ये जी several other writers have developed a typical forms. It is neither possible nor describable to survey all these different formats. However, a few significant views are mentioned for the considerable and use per author are different over the necessary elements of the behavior objective. ये क्या टेलर प्रपोज टू मेगा थ्री ये क्या है जी फाइव उसने कि फिर जाके सिक्स एलिमेंट्स फॉर रिलेटेड कम्प्लेक्स बिहेवियर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आता है फिर ये टेलर 1947 इंस्टेड इंसिस्ट that both the intent pupil behavior and the related content or the area of life must be included. Mere indication of behavior is not enough. The content related to the particular behavior must be also be specified. अगर स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है द Cratios model of objectives ये कि the section this section attempt present Cratios behavior objectives as a voice by the opponent of this model. The alternative model process of humanistic will be briefly explored and their weaknesses indicated. This will be followed by the outline of the proposed model situated to Pakistani youth. फिर है जी criticism of behavior objective model ये the behaviorism approach to objective which has been so much popular especially during the mid 1960s has been subjected to the criticism from several coders humanists and process oriented scholars among others are strongly opposed to be objectives model. The protagonists as well as the opinionists both are busy clarify their viewpoints. However, it appears that James Care uh, stick slogan help stamp out non-behavior objective has undergone some positive change. The modification approach reads help stamp out some non-behavior objectives. Piraji, let us now review some of the major points of criticism of the objective models. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है जी the process model ये है Lawrence Screw is one of the chief advocate of the process approach as help already been noted that the model is opposed to the objective model. It emphasizes process rather than product. It is therefore concerned with the meaning rather than and since process connects co-notice and ongoing activity, the model has strong learning towards freedom and spontaneity in teaching and learning of a new uncharted path of knowledge. This process of model is fundamentally open-ended and inquiries oriented. Actually, it is wedded to the things of Boran's Howley heavy stress on fluid equates and on the structural components of discipline. Spirit advocates of the process approach argue that the prior detailed specification of the intent human behavior are neither necessary nor successful, rather than to impose unnecessary constraint on on the learning process, making it dual and mechanical knowledge. They believe should be discovered, and aims and objectives must emerge from within the content during the learning encounters. So aims and objectives should be grown from within the John Davy 1951 page 1083 has long ago suggested and should not be imposed from outside. थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट। यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर इख्तिताम पजीर होता है, चैप्टर नंबर 5। फिर अमानिल्ला, गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम। और मेरे चैनल मोहम्मद सुल्तान खान को सब्सक्राइब करते रहें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फैलाएं ताकि और स्टूडेंट्स भी मुस्तफ़ीद इससे हो जाए। गुड लक। अल्लाह हम सबका हामी और नासिर हो। आमीन सुमा आमीन या रब्बुल आलमीन।